Hi folks, I thought I'd do a little part one and part two. Just wanted to capture this because it looks pretty cool if you ask me. I've got the plug and the initial pin that I drilled and tapped last night. Not pin, but it's a 1032 screw. It's exactly 1.25 inches long. I put a little lock washer underneath there just to make sure it's tight. The whole thing is extraordinarily snug and perfect for the drilling. What I did, I put this thing in place. I used a transfer punch, made an initial hole there in each of these three, removed both these screws, placed it aside. I used a larger center punch, punched a nice big hole to make a nice starting point for a very, very small countersink. I'll show you. Got a picture. I got the one right here. That little tiny one. Made it, drilled all the way into the conical portion, which made a perfect starting point for the tap drill here. And again, I just used a piece of tape. I marked off 1.25 inches, and I carefully drilled each of these three holes down and finished that. So now I can remove the pin, the center pin, and the bolt. And the cool thing is, because I drilled this top one oversized, not only does it clear the bolt, but it also cleared the tap. So I can leave this assembly in place, remove this pin here, and then I can rotate the tapping jig all the way around, and it should, because I used my DRO and I offset all these holes exactly 3/4 of an inch from the center point, it should be perfect for perfect alignment for a tapping jig for each of the three remaining holes. So that's the game plan there. I'll get busy with that and shoot a follow-up to this in a few minutes, hopefully. Thank you.